Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to speak to you about the RunCam Split Mini version 2 or 2. This is a nice camera I just bought on Banggood.com. It is an HD camera. It's 180p by 60 frames per second, and you can find the actual specification on RunCam.com. But let's see what's in the box. Alright, so that's how the box arrives to you. I mean, of course, Banggood put their SKU number already on the label. We'll have ready for you, but there is a verification check here, and of course a warranty seal, which I already broke because I wanted to see how the cam is boxed and everything. So that's what you see at the beginning. You pull out the cam. You got this sticker here that will describe you where everything is at and where the contacts are. There is a contact for RX and TX, which means, and a microphone here, as you can see, which means you can attach or you can connect your camera to your transmitter via your main board, flight controller. Then there is the infamous ribbon here, and which, like, many people don't like because it comes off on crashes, but at first glance it's very well built, it's very strong, it's nothing like the one you find on the Mobius or on any other cameras. So it has been very well thought. It has a direction, and I'm sure you can find plenty of spares of it online. The camera itself is really small, as you can see. I don't have huge fingers, but to give you a term of comparison, that's a pencil, and so it's kind of small, but it's chunky. I think it looks like it's metal. It has a very nice wide-angle lens. Possibly you can actually verify if it's in focus or not. What else is in the box? One board, one board and two switches. One for the modes and one for power, for programming it. In the box you get a card that says if you want your user manual, you have to go on RunCam.com, downloads, and if you have any problem you can contact us on support. You got all the warranties and everything and blah blah blah. I found out, for example, the manual, you cannot print it for yourself. I like to print my manuals, I like to see how they are, but like it's made in a format which is like one page, but it's in actual fact 3 or 4 pages long. It's so if you print it, it comes like on an A4 and a strip like that. I'll have to find out how to get this handled, but anyway, you can always read it online. There are some accessories here. One of them, which is very important, it is this plate that will fit like that on top of the camera board, and it will allow, it will be like more like a neat dissipation plate for the chips and everything, and also it is secure the SD card, which has to be a class 10 or more or higher SD card, into the slot, so in case of a crash it doesn't come off so easily. You got a cable, an extension cable, you got a bracket with all different settings to actually set your camera on your quad or on your plane, and a set of hardware that will allow you to put the board either on a stack like so up here, or on an adapter or anything. There's plenty of those. Well, that's what it is. Blue sky to everybody. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. Bye bye.